my goodness. Woo! Boom, what's good everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we're going to react to BABYMONSTER, Love My Heart. I heard her voice is very heavenly, so I want to know what's so heavenly about this voice. So without further ado, let's dive in. Peace.
어떤 말도 들리질 않아 내 심장 소리뿐 서둘러 날 고쳐보지만 I can't live without you 내 맘은 불길처럼 걷잡을 수가 없어 이런 나를 내버려둬 이 밤을 가로질러 너에게 가고 있어 늘 그래왔던 것처럼 알잖아 너
Oh my goodness. Woo! This is pure angelic voice.
나 싸우면 하지마 We will be beautiful And we'll stay together for all time 이제 더 이상 참고 싶지 않아 Give you all of the love in my heart 이제 온 세상이 다 내 것 같아 Give you all of the love in my heart Give you
Better and better the album gets. Every song on this album is a solid gold. Solid gold. When you speak of being an angel on earth, this voice matches the outfit. When you're speaking about beautification of the voice projection, we speak of her. And as a Jamaican, bro, I am loving this. This is a masterpiece. This album is gonna be gold. If you guys enjoy this reaction, don't forget to leave a like on the video, smash a subscribe button, and also turn the bell icon on to be notified of whenever time another BABYMONSTER drip track released by me to y'all. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.